So lately, every vehicle I buy has this problem. Let me go ahead and show you. As you can hear, the blower motor sounds restricted, makes noise, and yeah, not really having good airflow. Not to mention that motor doesn't sound too healthy. So I find typically the cabin air filter is very neglected. You get smells, you get odors, the vents are not working too good, and most people just don't change it. Number one, they don't know about it and they think it's a complicated process, I guess, but it's really easy. And the Toyota I had, Toyota Camry, the Nissan Xterra, yeah, these vehicles have all had that same issue. So let's go ahead and dive in because it is getting to warmer weather and I want better airflow, and I'm tired of hearing that noise while driving. Well, that and the tire noise, that is also very aggravating. Ooh, I found the fuses. Nice. So I think these get pulled into the side just like so, maybe? Yep, that's one. That's two. There we go. And we got a little, mechanism back here which kind of keeps it from falling down. And on this one, it's pretty easy. Well, as you can see, it's supposed to be a screw over here, but it's missing. That's great. So let's see if we can pop this out and see how bad this one looks. She's looking crusty. Oh yeah, I already see stuff. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yep. I think that is the issue with my airflow and noises. And the thing is, if you don't clean this, you get smells and then bad airflow, and it tends to also damage the motor. It's not a good thing, folks. And this is weird because they give you like two. Anything else? All right, that should be good. So now at this point, what I probably need to do is drop the motor, see what other debris is in there, and yeah, hopefully that should fix the issue. So now I want to take out the blower motor just to make sure nothing fell through. And I've also seen people run these things without the filter, which causes issues. All right, let's pull this out. See, at least in this car we got these nice fancy mats, that's nice. And let's see, is there anything else holding this in place? All right. Man, this car is a little dirty. She's gonna need some a lot of cleaning. So right over there is our motor, and it looks like it was replaced. This does not look factory OEM, which that's fine. Those might be a 5.5. I'm not sure. Let's get some tools and get these jokers out of here. I think this is a 5.5. So now, yeah, this motor sounds a little crunchy. I've gotten lucky and lubed these things before, which I might try that again. All right, typically I like to use WD-40, but I don't have any. So, fluid film. Just a little. I'm just gonna, oh yeah, that worked pretty good. Don't take much. But my prefer is the WD-40. Yeah, it's feeling a lot better. More RPMs, more airflow, folks. I need to get the vacuum and vacuum all this stuff up. Now let's put my hand up in here and make sure that there's no other debris that we need to be aware of, which I think we're good. Yeah. Only little stuff here and there. All right, now that it's nice and clean and lubed, let's get this thing popped back in. I think it only goes one way, two ways, that way. Perfect. All right, wiggle, make sure it's not loose. Tuck this cable back over here. Good to go. So now for the filter. Fill top cabin air filter. It was $8 on Amazon. If you go to like AutoZone or Walmart, they want a lot more money. And right now, anything is better than those. Destructions. We know the airflow is up, so these are very unique in the sense that you put one in, just like so, and then you gotta, you know, slide it down. I mean, I guess that's how they want. It's a safe space to do it. I've never seen one like that. This one should slide in accordingly. All right, had to do that with two hands to push the other one over, but once you do that, nice, fresh airflow or filtered air. So let's go ahead and pop you in just like so. Now it's supposed to have a screw, but obviously we don't have it. But it snaps in and it should be fine. Nice. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. And oh yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, better airflow. It's not as loud or obnoxious. Sweet. All right, put back together. Better airflow. But is it better? Yes and no. So the motor might be going bad. I think stuff got through. I'm not sure. The other thing too is that a lot of the times, if it's getting that clogged, it's typically from inside here. So I am going to take out this cowl. I'm going to spray paint it, make it look a lot better. And while I'm in there, if there's any other debris or stuff, we could get that out. That will allow for better airflow. And that's probably the step that most people tend to miss. If you got that much stuff coming in, there's a good chance that it's still in the cowl, and that's where that smell gets in there. A lot of that stuff can't, you know, breathe through. A lot of the stuff cannot actually go through those drain ports on the bottom, so they cake up, and you get that smell of mold / mildew or other funks because, well, the cowl's clogged up. So I'll be working that on a separate video. So if your HVAC motor sounds noisy and making some weird chunky crunchy noises, definitely change your filters, clean out the motor, give it a little lube if you can, and like I said, might have to take out the cowl if it's not much better, which I'll be doing anyway. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.